Hi everyone, welcome to ecomback.com. Today we are going to teach you that how you can add categories in Magento 2. So first of all, you will click on this menu, catalog, and click on categories. You will see there are already categories there. So this is a root category. So never delete this category. This is very important. Otherwise your website will be messed up. So if you want to add a new category, just click on add subcategory. Okay. And just type test. And you can upload the picture you want. You can add the text for this category. You can change the display settings. We only have products only. Sometimes you have static block, or sometimes you have static block and products. So we will select the products only. Search engine optimization, you can have the SEO based keyword, meta information, keywords and description there. And you can select what products you want in this category. You can do that as well. And design, if you have different themes or different layouts, you can select that, but we only have default one, so we will stick with that. So if I just say test, okay, and I'm enable category and enable in the menu. So basically if you want the category in the left navigation or in the drop down menu is fine, and if you have a you want to add that in main navigation, then you can enable this option. So I'm going to click on save. So you can see it's the main category. ID 70 is the main category now. So if I want to add a subcategory, another category under this category, I just click on, I select this one and I click on add subcategory. So we'll type test 2 dash sub. Same thing, I'll just save that. And you will see test and test 2. So we have two categories there, test and test 2. So basically main category and subcategory. So that's how you can add the categories in Magento 2. If you have any question, please feel free to call us or email us at sales@ecomback.com. Thank you.